All right, what's happening, man? You know, the beauty of rocking a fragrance from 1998 is the fact that you're not going to smell like everybody else walking around the mall. We're talking about Givenchy Pi today, just the EDT. Like I said, came out in 1998. I think this stuff is timeless. I just got a brand new bottle because I ran out, and I kind of forgot how much I love this stuff. And to this day, at the time of the recording, 2022, towards the end of 2022, this gem from 98 still blows me away. We're going to talk about this fragrance today. But before we do, as always, you know the drill. If you haven't done so already, stop what you're doing, subscribe, and ring the bell. God, man. So yeah, like I said, came out in 98. I love this stuff. I always have. And let's get something clear right now because I've talked to like 4 people about this already. Newer bottles, for whatever reason, I don't know what year it was, but Givenchy stopped putting the logo on the front. So if you get a bottle that just doesn't have anything, it's not fake. Mine's not fake. I've smelt this 150 million times. This is a brand new bottle. It's the right juice. It's Givenchy Pi. So calm down. Calm your tits if you don't see the logo. Now, this stuff is relatively affordable, in the ballpark of $50 at most discounters and whatnot. I think the best price I can find right now is eBay. I think eBay, I saw bottles as low as $35 for the 3.3 ounce testers. I think they were testers, and an average of $40, $45 on eBay. So like I said, $40 to $50 for this stuff, depending on where you get it. That's a good price. I have no complaints. Performs pretty well off of my skin. I wore this just again last night, this new bottle I got. And 5 hours solid, maybe 6 hours, give or take. It was towards the end of the evening, so I took a shower and went to bed. I don't know how much longer it would have lingered on my skin, but I think I've always gotten in the ballpark of 6 hours off my skin. A couple people I talked to online were telling me that they get okay performance. Sorry, I just bumped the mic. 3 to 4 hours. But a lot of other people I talked to said they get really good performance. So, I mean, wish in one hand, shit in the other. I don't know. Depends on who you ask. I think it's a pretty good performer. I've never had any issues. I would say a safe 5-6 hours. Like I said, we went over price briefly, around 40 to $50. Presentation-wise, it's a beautiful bottle. Like I said, you're not going to have the logo on front, most likely, if it's a newer bottle. So calm down. I do like the little handle thing here. Some weird engravements on the back. Very nice, heavy, thick glass. Feels good. If you want to pause the video, if it wants to focus, you can get some info on the bottom as far as batch codes and stuff go. I don't care about batch codes very much. Distribution on the sprayer is pretty damn nice. Check it out. Oh, that's nice. Now, how does it smell? So to me, it's pretty linear. It doesn't change much off of my skin. It is a very powdery, sweet, like a creamy, almondy, vanilla fragrance, touch of greens, a touch of florals, a touch of like mandarin orange as well. But that's basically what it does off of my skin. It's sexy. A little bit of woods, but this creamy almond, like a powdery vanilla almost, with a touch of florals, a touch of greens, and a touch of like a nice mandarin orange. Like I said, this is a nice DNA that I think this will never go out of style. I think if I own this stuff in 20 years, I'm still going to rock it, and people are still going to love it. I actually got 2 compliments last night wearing this. One of them was I stopped by my parents' place to grab something before I head out the door, and my mom said, "My God, what are you wearing? That smells good." And then when I got with some friends, one of my friends I haven't seen in a while, the first thing he said to me when we kind of gave the bro hug, he said, "Damn, bro, what are you wearing? That smells good." So 2 compliments within like an hour of wearing this stuff. I love it. Like I said, it's never going to get old to me. And the beauty of this, the reason why I'm making the video is because, like I said, this is from 98. Nobody's really talking about this anymore. Not too many people are rocking this anymore. So you might be able to scoop it up quietly and wear this stuff out and about. And you're going to be the guy that stands out in the crowd because you got this nice, sexy, alluring, seductive, sweet, cozy fragrance that does really well in the cooler weather, fall, winter, maybe even spring as well. I wouldn't wear in the high heat, but spring, fall, and winter, grab this one. Check it out. Like I said, 40 to $50. Givenchy Pi EDT. It's timeless. It's great. I love it. I'll never be without it. Hey, do me a favor. Like the video. Let YouTube know the video is worth a damn and the channel's worth a damn. You'd be helping the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't know why you haven't already, but you should. Until next time, guys, you know what I'm going to always say. Take your vitamins. Hit the gym. Always stay improving. God bless. Be well. I'm out.